students, welcome back to 10th session on sublease. In last session, we concentrated on second problem where we discussed how to prepare royalty payable chart and how to prepare royalty receivable chart. In the question, it was asked that we have to prepare accounts in the books of B. B is main lessee as per main lease agreement and sublessor as per sublease agreement. So we have to prepare in his book accounts relating to main lease and account relating to sublease as a capacity of main lessee and as a capacity of sublessor respectively. So now as a capacity of main lessee, when we are preparing accounts as a capacity of main lessee, we should take into consideration royalty payable chart. If you look at royalty payable chart, first 2 years there is what is that? Royalty is less than the minimum rent. Our minimum rent is more than the royalty. There is short working. So first 2 years resembles second situation. Third year resembles third situation, that is royalty is equal to minimum rent. Fourth year represent fourth situation where there is excess when excess is used to recoup short working, and fifth year represent or resembles what is that fifth situation where there is excess and excess is not used to recoup short working. This should be taken care of while preparing accounts. So let me go for preparing accounts in the books of B. As a main lessee, we are supposed to prepare lesser account, royalty payable account and short working account. So first 2 years entries will be same. First we have to pass due entry, royalty payable account data, short working account data, to seize account 750, 250. In royalty payable, to seize account 750. In short working, to seize account 250. And B, we have to pay to C at the end of the first year. So C's account debtor to bank account 1000, so that first year C's account get closes. Royalty payable account should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Journal entry profit and loss account debtor to royalty payable account. As far as short working is concerned, there is 4 years period to recover from beginning till at the end of 4 years. So balance in short working is carried forward to next year. In second year, we have to reopen short working account with opening balance of 250. This is about first year. Second year, circumstance is same. Where royalty is less than the minimum rent, there is short working. Due entry is royalty receivable account, short working account debtor to lesser account, that is to seize account 850, 150. In royalty, it's not receivable, royalty payable. So it is not receivable. Don't write it as RR. You make it as RP. By mistake, it was written as RR. You have to write it as RP. So royalty payable account data, short working account data to lesser account 850, 150. In royalty payable, to seize account 850. In short working, to what is that? Seize account 150. So in royalty payable, to seize account 850 and in short working, to seize account 150. Again, short working can be carried forward to next 2 years. So that's why by balance carried down 400. Very next year, means third year, when we open it, we have to open with an opening balance of rupees 400. So to balance brought down 400. Then third year situation is where royalty is equal to minimum rent. How to pass due entry? Journal entry is royalty receivable account debtor to lesser account. Sorry, royalty payable account debtor to lesser account, RP, not RR. So rupees 1000. In royalty payable account debtor to seize account 1000. It should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. And B will pay to C. Journal entry seize account debtor to bank account 1000. So seize account get closes. And short working balance will be carried forward to fourth year. So by balance carried down 400. At the beginning of fourth year, to balance brought down 400 rupees. Then we are moving towards fourth year. The fourth year situation is entirely different. What is the situation? There is an excess royalty and excess royalty is used to recoup short working. Journal entry for due is royalty payable account data to lesser account 1000 to short working account 150. Royalty payable account data to lesser account 1000 to short working account 150. So in royalty in C's account by royalty payable 1000. In short working account, by royalty payable 150. To balance brought down, 400 is there. So by royalty payable 150. Then B need to pay to C at the end of 4th year. Journal entry C's account debtor to bank account 1000. So C's account get closes. Royalty payable account should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. As far as short working is concerned, we have an opening balance of 400 carry forward balance, but we recouped only 150. This is the last year for recoupment, so unrecoverable, that which cannot be recouped, will be transferred to profit and loss account. Journal entry is profit and loss account debtor to short working, so 250, so that short working account get closes at the end of 4th year. Now 5th year situation where there is excess royalty and excess royalty is not used to recoup short working. Then what is the due entry? Due entry is royalty payable account debtor to C's account, royalty payable account debtor to C's account. So in C's account by royalty payable 1500. And amount will be paid to C, journal entry C's account debtor to bank account, so that C's account get closes. Royalty payable account should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. This is how to prepare accounts in the books of B as a main lessee. What and all accounts we prepare? We prepare lesser account, we prepare royalty payable account, and we prepare short working account. Try to understand. Instead of me writing RP account in 2nd year, 3rd year, 4th year, 5th year, particularly in lesser account, I have written as RR account. You make it as RP account, not RR. By mistake it was written as RR. It is not RR, it is RP, royalty payable. So now, in the books of B, again we have to prepare accounts being a sublessor. Sublessor means he is supposed to receive royalty. So he has to prepare lessee's account, that is D's account. He has to prepare short working allowable account. So these are the three accounts he need to prepare. So now to prepare accounts in the books of B, again being a sublessor, so we need to follow which chart? Royalty receivable chart of previous session. So what this royalty receivable chart says that first year there is short working, it is carried forward. 2nd year also there is short working, it is carried forward along with the first year. 3rd year it is equal. So 2nd year short work, first year short working, 3rd year is the last year to recoup. So that was transferred to profit and loss account, and 2nd year short working carried forward. 4th year situation is 4th situation where excess is used to recoup short working. 5th year situation is 5th situation where there is excess is not used to recoup short working. Taking all these into consideration, we have to prepare accounts in the books of B being a sublessor. First royalty receivable, then D's account, then short working allowable account. First we have to write due entry. What is the due entry? Lessee's account data, to royalty receivable, to short working allowable, 312.5, 187.5. In short working account by, what is that? In short working account, you have to write by royalty receivable account 187.5, not short working allowable account. Again, small mistake is here. By, what is that? Royalty receivable, RR. You don't write SA, you write RR. By royalty receivable account 187.5, and in royalty receivable account, I'm so sorry. In short working account, you have to write by D's account 187.5. Because what's the journal entry? D's account data to royalty receivable to short working allowable. So in short working allowable account, you have to write by D's account. I have written as by mistake I have written it as by short working allowable. You have to write it as by D's account 187.5, by D's account, not short working allowable account. So in royalty receivable by D's account 312.5. So royalty receivable will be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. And amount will be received from D, journal entry bank account debtor to D's account 500. Then short working account shows a balance of 187.5 carried forward to next year, and next year by balance brought down 187.5. So then Second year situation is same, due entry we need to pass. So what's the due entry? Lessee's account data, to royalty receivable, to short working allowable. So in royalty receivable by D's account 375, it should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. And in short working account, by balance anyway it is there 187.5. By D's, you make it as D, not short working allowable. By mistake it was written by D's account 125. So now what is the total? Total is 313.5. So this balance should be carried forward to next year. So to balance carried down 313.5. Next year by balance brought down 313.5. So as far as D's account is concerned, so sublessor will receive cash from D, journal entry bank account debtor to D's account, so that D's account will get closes at the end of second year. Now third year situation is royalty is equal to minimum rent, and some portion of short working, means first year short working which was carried forward to third year will get closed by transferring it to profit and loss account because it is irrecoverable. This is what the situation. So journal entry in the book, accounts in the books of B, who is sublessor. First we have to pass what is that? Due entry. Due entry is lessee's account debtor, that is D's account debtor to royalty receivable 500 in D's account. In royalty receivable account by D's account 500. This royalty receivable should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Then we have to go to what is that? Short working account. So where 187.5 of first year have to be transferred to profit and loss account because it will become irrecoverable because this is the last year to recoup it. So to profit and loss account 187.5, to balance carried down 125, and fourth year by balance brought down it is 125. So next we are moving towards at the end of third year. Again, who will get the cash? Lessor will get the cash from lessee, journal entry bank account debtor to D's account 500 rupees. Now we are moving towards fourth year. Fourth year situation is, what is the situation? Where there is excess and excess is used to recoup. Then how to pass due entry? Due entry is lessee's account data, short working allowable account data to royalty receivable. Lessee's account should be debited with 500. Short working allowable account should be debited with 125. So in D's account to royalty receivable 500, and in short working account to royalty receivable 125. So that short working account will get closes. And lessor will receive cash from lessee, journal entry bank account debtor to D's account. So D's account will get closes. D here means lessee. Then royalty receivable should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. So to profit and loss account 625. Now we are moving towards fifth year, where the situation is where there is excess and excess belong to lessor. Then what is the due entry? Due entry is D's account debtor to royalty receivable account 1000. So in D's account to royalty receivable, in royalty receivable account by D's account, then royalty receivable should be closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Then lessor will get cash from D, journal entry bank account debtor to lessee's account, that is bank account debtor to D's account. So D's account get closes. Short working already closed during at the end of fourth year itself. So nothing is there during fifth year. So this is all about how to prepare accounts in the books of B as a capacity of main lessee and as a capacity of sublessor. So here, as a capacity of main lessee in C's account from second year onwards, instead of me writing RP account, I have written as RR account. By RR 850, by RR 1000, by RR 1000, again by RR 1500. You have to make it as by RP, by RP, by RP, by RP. RP means royalty payable. Then one more small mistake which I committed here while writing the accounts, because it's in my handwriting only. Answer is in my handwriting. In the books of B, being a sublessor, we prepared royalty receivable, D's account and short working allowable account. In short short working allowable account. So first 2 years, by short working allowable account, by short working allowable account, this is what I had written. You have to write it as by D's account, by D's account. First year and second year, there is a mistake. Instead of me writing by D, I have written it as by short working allowable. You have to write it as by D in short working allowable account only. Did you come to know about the mistake I committed? So in the books of B, being a main lessee, we prepared C's account, royalty payable account, short working account. All accounts are correct. But in royalty payable, in C's account, while preparing C's account, second year, third year, fourth year and fifth year, instead of me writing RP account, means royalty payable account, I have written as RR account. Make the changes there. Then, in the books of B, being a sublessor, we prepared royalty receivable account, D's account and short working allowable account. In short working allowable account, particularly in first year and second year, I should write as by D's account. Instead, by mistake, I have written as by short working allowable in short working allowable itself. First year and second year, you make the changes particularly in that part. So that's all about this session. We'll see one more problem particularly in next session. Till that, take care. Thank you.